Welcome back at another review of Reviewed. As said in one of my previous reviews, I bought a new better camera to give you a clear image. But of course, maybe even more important, what's also necessary is clear sound. So, especially for you, I bought the BOYA by-MM1. It's a universal cardioid microphone. It's more like a shotgun microphone, so it's not for the sound all around, but especially where you aim it to. One of the reasons I bought it is because it's compatible, of course, with the cameras and with the phones. No batteries required. That's also very important for me. Professional furry windshield. Yep. Rugged construction. Must be strong. I read somewhere online that the video micro of Rode was not that rugged. And I really need a rugged one because it can be a bit clumsy every now and then. Well, all these specs, maybe it's very important to you, but not that important to me because I read some good things online about it and I believe them. At least if I'm not happy with it, I can always ship it back. So, what's inside the box? Inside the box we find, that's it, yep, that's it. Of course, the manual. Pretty happy that it's a short manual. Well, how to install, how to connect, etc, etc, of course. And a warranty card. Speak for itself. This is a cable, it's coiled, so it's a stretchy cable. And a normal cable. I think they're all, both have the same end connections. TRRS and TRRRS. And this one is twice TRRS. And the R stands for ring. This is the mount. I thought, because they said it was a rugged metal construction, I thought this would be metal also, but this is plastic. A bit disappointed, but hey, strong plastic is also fine. Let's take the furry windshield off. And here it is. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit better. Yeah, out of focus. Feels pretty heavy, sturdy. This one is rugged indeed, that you can feel right away. Let's clip that one on. Oh no, don't break it please, thanks. Won't be the first time. Looks good. Put the windshield on. That's how it should be mounted on the hot shoe by the BOYA. And of course, there is a nice bag in there. Great, looks good. But of course, more important, how will it sound? So what I'm gonna do some tests and I'll put it on there, take it off, and I'll say some words, and you can decide for yourself if it's worth the buy. So here I am back again. I just installed the BOYA MM1 mic. Well, the sound you're hearing is coming directly from the BOYA mic, and I hope it's much better, of course, than the mic of my camera. And I will try that also directly. Maybe just a bit closer. Now I'm very close to the microphone. A bit further, and a bit further away. And this should be the good distance for vlogging. So I guess if you want to vlog, this is within an arm's length. So this would be the sound that you're getting from the BOYA by-MM1 mic. And I'll try it again, but then I'll try it again with the normal microphone or the standard microphone of the Canon M50, because that's the camera I'm shooting on at the moment. Here I am again, this time as you can see, here it is, the cable, so it's unplugged on the standard mic of the Canon M50. I'm pretty close now, I'm a bit further away, and this is also on a vlogging distance. Well, see for yourself what you like most. Of course I have to check it on the computer what sounds better and if I'm gonna keep it or not. And I'll put it at the end of the video if I'm gonna ship it back or I will keep it for my next review. If you have any comments or remarks, please put them in the box below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, bye bye!